Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. The problem with Gmail is that it does not allow you to change your email address. But what you can do is to add a forwarding email, and then all the emails will be sent to that forwarding email. So open Gmail and then click on this settings icon. Click on see all settings. From here click on forwarding and pop/IMAP option, and then click on add a forwarding email. Now enter the new email address. Once you have added the email address, click on next. Click on proceed and then click on OK. Now verification code has been sent to the new email address that you just provided. So open the new Gmail account in a separate tab and then copy this code, paste the code here and then click on verify. After that, all the emails you receive on the old ID will automatically be forwarded to the new email address. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in the description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.